This one goes all the way to 11. The most powerful, most track-focused Jaguar road car in history packs a 592 horsepower punch and a 200 mph top speed and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. It has fenders teased out wide over gumball tires, a rear wing borrowed from a small plane, and it sounds like an earthquake when you fire it up. Hand-built by the crew at Jaguar Land Rover Special Vehicles Operations, the 2018 Jaguar XE SV Project 8 is the very definition of a factory hot rod. Building Project 8 is more than just bolting on a few choice go-faster goodies, however. SPO engineers say 75% of the muscular Jag sedan, from body to suspension to engine to interior, is unique. "This is the car to make our reputation," says SPO boss John Edwards with a broad grin. Think of it as Jaguar Land Rover's take on the legendary AMG Hammer. Project 8 starts life as a Jaguar XE sedan aluminum body shell. Only the roof panel and the front door skins are left unchanged. A new body side stamping and new rear door skins incorporate 2.2-inch flares over 305/30 tires on 20-inch rims. Carbon fiber front fenders feature 0.75-inch flares, and the headlights have been moved half an inch farther forward to ensure clearance in the wheel wells for the 20-inch rims and 265/35 tires. The carbon fiber hood is vented to extract hot air and to reduce pressure buildup in the engine compartment at high speed. The front bumper, adjustable front splitter, side skirts, rear bumper, and rear diffuser are also all made from carbon fiber, helping make the 3,847-pound Project 8 the lightest of the current lineup of V8-powered Jaguar sedans. And they're not just there for show. In addition to these aerodynamic tweaks, the Project 8 has a reprofiled trunk floor to help make the rear diffuser more effective, and the angle of attack of that giant carbon fiber rear wing can be made more aggressive for track work. With the wing and the front splitter in their track settings, SPO claims the Project 8 generates 269 pounds of downforce at 186 miles per hour.